Friends, you have been seeing cash management, and now we're going to make cash budgets. So before making cash budgets, the 5 steps you must know correctly so that you can make estimate correctly, because cash shortages, cash crisis will cause most damage to the business. So first you have to determine what is the minimum cash balance. So minimum cash opening balance, what is the minimum cash balance? So you have to have it depend on your past experience, and then you have to take, for example, cash balance. I will keep at least 3 days sales. I will keep 5 days sales as cash balance. Like that, you have to make some estimate correctly. Seasonal fluctuation. In the case of seasons, you have to make more cash. So like Diwali season, other things also. So like that, you have to first the minimum balance. What will be the minimum balance? We will have to keep in the while preparing cash budget. So second is forecasting sales. Sales is a major source of cash. Sales is the major source of cash. So past sales will decide what is the likely sales in the coming months. Past sales, okay. For example, economic swings. For example, any recession is going on, like government policies going on, like that, it may affect your sales also. So economic swings and the competition, what is the competition, how others are offering. So it will affect the sales also. Demand, fluctuation demand, you have to assess it properly. When the demand will be more, when demand will be less. So it will all depends on the season. The rainy season, umbrella will be more. The rainy season, umbrella will be more umbrella will be sold during rainy seasons. Okay, it's just simple thing. Festival season dresses will be more sold. So dependent, no, it is not evenly distributed. You cannot have a uniform sales all through the year. There will be ups, some downs. Some will go up, some will come. Try to assess correctly, because very important. Then some statistical methods are available in case sales pattern is uniform, like regression, like variance analysis, etc. Some statistical tools are available to assess the gauge the sales in what is going to come in the future. Like the regression analysis, you will have the recourse, and then variance analysis, like the linear regression, etc. These are things available. But provided sales pattern is established sales pattern, it is going to follow a solid trend. It is going to be like that. It's going to be like that only. But in those cases only it will help, not in all the cases. And many people will not understand these statistical methods. And most of the time we work on the common sense. Okay. Then sales. Then for new firm, you have to collect information. Like some publications, you will have the informations, like the Chamber of Commerce, this is industry estimates, assessments, performance, etc. So many journals are issuing from both state government as well as the central governments. So RBI also some publishes some information, but this is only for big industries, not for small industries. So simple thing is, what you have to do: call your business, similar business owners in the area, find out what they are selling, how much they are selling. Just call your friends. You must be having friends. You'll be assembling, you'll be having informal talk. Try to have the relationship. Though you have a competition, try to speak to your new business, your other similar business owners, what they are going to expect, how much they are going to sell, and all the things. You will have an idea. So accordingly, you will gauge the information and get the information, and estimate. You can work it out correctly. Almost all the estimates always will go wrong. But thing is, at least to some extent, you should be have a fairness. Okay. Then forecasting cash receipts. Cash receipts, you have to find out. Then receipts, you have to find out the account receivable, the major source. So what is the terms, credit terms you have given to them? Supposing first 20% immediately, the 50% to be paid in next 2 months, then accordingly you have to work it out. So these are the things. Then you have to analyze other cash income also. What is other income? Supposing you have a premises, rent it out, rent also, dividend, you can have it. All these things will be coming in. So this is also to be taken into account while for forecasting races. Okay. Then cash disbursement. Cash disbursement, major source is cash disbursement is raw materials you have to pay. So what are the terms of payment? The same month or next month, or in staggered installments, like that you have to find out. Then other payments you have to make, like rent, loans, interest, etc. Then are you going to make any fixed asset purchases? Are you going to buy machinery? Are you going to buy some ACs? Are you going to buy furniture, etc.? What are the things you are going to buy? And all the things. Then always 10 to 25% add as contingency, because always defer disbursements, payments always will change. So contingency is just 10 to 15, 20% add as a contingency. So I don't, somebody will say that I don't know where to start. I'm breaking my head. I do not know. For those people, I'm telling you, make a daily list. Make a daily list of items, payments, and receipts for some time. Then you will have the information. You will have to analyze. You have to get some inference, and you can work it out. Daily list. Make a daily list of cash payments, cash receipts. Then for some period, then analyze things, and you will have an idea what will be disbursement. Then end of the month cash balance. So opening balance will be the opening balance, closing balance already told. The closing balance of the last month will be opening balance of the next month. So next month the closing balance will be opening balance of the coming month. So like that you have to do it. So if you have the surplus, invest in some banks or some securities which earn some interest. Suppose you have some surplus cash, you don't have any expenditure also, and then you invest it. If it's a deficit, it is a cash crisis. You have to have a ready-made what do you call a line of credit, either from the banks or from your friends, so who can easily approachable, who can immediately lend and help you out the cash crisis. So these 5 steps you have to understand this, and we'll be working out on cash budget in the next sessions. I hope you have understood this. Very important. These 5 steps try to understand. If you make the homework correctly, the cash budget will be accurate. So 10% here and there will go wrong, but most of them will give you a solid picture, rough picture of your cash business, cash position, so that you can plan accordingly. So we'll meet in the next session. Till such time, all the best. Thank you.